All right, guys, we got some word problems and reading a graph again. Let's start by marking the text. We see that the starting, I like that word because that tells me initial. Starting annual salary for an office worker at a company is $29,000. So knowing that we're dealing with exponential functions, they've just given me the initial amount, right? Because it says starting and is $29,000. If the company awards an annual increase of 6.2%, which graph models the situation after the office worker receives X annual increases? All right, so if we take a look at all of our graphs, they're all exponential growth, so we don't really need to talk through that. But the main thing is that we see that our starting annual salary is $29,000. So that means when we're looking at these graphs on the screen, we've got to find the one that starts at around $29,000. So if we look at answer choice A, our starting or initial amount there is just around $29,000. So we're going to keep that one here. If we look at letter B, well, that starting salary is down at $5,000, which definitely doesn't fit what we're looking for, so we're going to cross that one out. For letter C, got another starting salary at around $29,000, so we're going to keep that. And then letter D, again, is just sorely off course. So now it comes down to which graph looks most like it represents an increase of 6.2%. So if we have an increase of 6.2% out of $29,000, let's think of what our equation would look like. We'd have y equals 29,000 times 1 plus 0.062 to the power of x. So we could throw that in our graphing calculator and see what it looks like. But also let's use a little bit of common sense, like by reading the graph. In answer choice A, if we look down at the x-axis represents the number of annual increases. Let's just go to year one. Okay, year one, you've definitely gotten an increase, but it's not much. Okay, maybe like $3,000, maybe a little less. If we look over here at answer choice C, our graph is starting at $29,000, and after a year, this person is already making $45,000. That's way more than 6.2%. That's like almost getting a 50% raise. So that one doesn't even make sense, because trust me, if you found a job that you make that much more money every year, keep it and stay there. But most likely we're going to be looking at that being the correct answer.